Hey there, vacuum enthusiasts. I won't make the intro long to bother you, so let's jump right in the list of 5 Miele vacuum cleaners you should buy in 2025. 5. Miele Triflex HX1 3-in-1 Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Miele Triflex HX1 represents Miele's first serious foray into the cordless stick vacuum market, and it brings some interesting innovations to the table. Its standout feature is the patented 3-in-1 design that allows you to reconfigure the vacuum in 3 different ways. Comfort mode with the motor unit at the bottom for easier handling, reach mode with the motor at the top for cleaning under furniture, and compact mode, which essentially turns it into a handheld vacuum. During my testing, I found the Triflex HX1 delivers impressive suction power that rivals many corded models. The multi-floor XXL electro brush does an excellent job automatically detecting floor types and adjusting accordingly. I was particularly impressed with how it handled the transition from hardwood to carpet without me having to make any manual adjustments. The vacuum also comes with a wall bracket for storage and a 3-piece accessory set, including a crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery nozzle. Battery life is decent, but not exceptional, offering about 60 minutes on the lowest power setting without the electro brush attached. However, this drops significantly to around 30 minutes when using the electro brush and plummets to just 17 minutes on the maximum power setting. I found myself frequently rushing to finish cleaning larger areas before the battery died, which became frustrating during more thorough cleaning sessions. The 4-hour recharge time also means you can't quickly top up the battery between cleaning tasks. 4. Miele Boost CX1 Parquet Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Miele Boost CX1 Parquet is Miele's entry-level bagless canister vacuum, designed to offer the brand's renowned quality in a more compact and affordable package. This model features Miele's Vortex technology for powerful suction and comes with a Parquet twister floor head, specifically designed for delicate hard flooring. The vacuum offers 4 suction modes that you can adjust using a simple dial, ranging from gentle cleaning for curtains and fabrics to maximum power for heavily soiled hard floors and carpets. I found the Boost CX1 to be surprisingly quiet during operation, measuring around 65 to 78 decibels, depending on the power setting. This makes it significantly quieter than many comparable vacuums, which is a welcome feature for apartment dwellers or those with noise-sensitive family members. The vacuum's compact size is also impressive, with a footprint of just 11 by 15.75 inches, making it easy to store in smaller closets. The track drive feature places wheels on the side of the canister for improved stability and maneuverability, and I noticed it followed me obediently without tipping over or colliding with furniture. When testing on hard floors, the Boost CX1 performed admirably with fine debris like flour and sugar. After a couple of passes, it cleared everything effectively, though I noticed it worked better when pulling backward rather than pushing forward, as the latter tended to push some debris around. 3. Miele Complete C3 Limited Edition Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Miele Complete C3 is where we start to see Miele's legendary quality and performance truly shine. This bagged canister vacuum represents a significant step up from the Boost CX1, offering a more comprehensive cleaning solution for various floor types. Powered by a robust 1200-watt Vortex motor, the Complete C3 delivers exceptional suction power that remains consistent throughout the cleaning process, unlike many bagless models that lose suction as their containers fill. During my testing, I was immediately impressed by the Complete C3's build quality. Every component feels solid and well-engineered, from the smooth rolling caster wheels to the telescoping stainless steel wand. The vacuum glides effortlessly across floors, following behind you like an obedient pet rather than getting caught on furniture or tipping over. The 24-foot power cord, combined with the hose and wand, gives you a cleaning radius of approximately 32 feet, but allowing me to clean nearly half of my house without changing outlets, a significant improvement over the Boost CX1's limited range. The Complete C3 excels on bare floors, where its powerful suction easily removes fine dust, pet hair, and debris. The included Parquet twister floor head rotates 180 degrees, making it incredibly maneuverable around furniture legs and in tight spaces. When testing on carpets, I found the vacuum's 6-level suction control dial invaluable, allowing me to precisely adjust the power based on the carpet pile height. Number 2. Miele Triflex HX2 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Miele Triflex HX2 represents a significant evolution of Miele's cordless technology, addressing many of the limitations of its predecessor, the HX1. This premium cordless stick vacuum retains the innovative 3-in-1 design, but adds a more efficient digital efficiency motor, significantly better battery life, and a redesigned filter system that truly elevates the cleaning experience. In my extensive testing, the Triflex HX2's suction power impressed me immediately. Miele claims it's 60% more powerful than the HX1, and my experience supports this claim. When tackling fine dust, flour, and even cereal on both carpets and hard floors, the vacuum cleared debris efficiently with minimal passes. The Multifloor XXL Electro Brush with its 28-centimeter width covers more floor space with each pass, and its intelligent floor detection automatically adjusts the brush roll speed based on the surface, a feature that worked flawlessly in my testing, protecting delicate floors while maximizing cleaning power on carpets. Battery performance is where the HX2 truly shines compared to the HX1. A single battery provides over 60 minutes of runtime in the minimum power mode, and even in the maximum power setting with the Electro Brush attached, I consistently got about 15 minutes of powerful cleaning, enough for most spot cleaning tasks. The Pro variant comes with 2 batteries, effectively doubling your cleaning time to 120 minutes, which was more than sufficient for my entire home. Number 1. Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Bagged Canister Vacuum. After extensive testing of Miele's entire lineup, I can confidently crown the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction as the best overall Miele vacuum for most households. This bagged canister vacuum represents the perfect balance of performance, durability, versatility, and value that has made Miele's reputation in the cleaning world. Don't let the entry-level designation fool you. This vacuum delivers premium cleaning power that outperforms many higher-priced competitors. The heart of the Classic C1 is Miele's powerful 1200-watt Vortex motor system, which provides exceptional suction across all 6 power settings. During my testing, this vacuum effortlessly removed fine dust, pet hair, and debris from hard floors and performed admirably on low-pile carpets and area rugs. The rotary dial with 6 different suction settings allows precise control based on the surface being cleaned, from delicate curtains to heavily soiled floors. I particularly appreciated how the vacuum automatically shuts off if it detects a clog, preventing motor damage, a thoughtful feature that speaks to Miele's focus on longevity. The Classic C1's maneuverability is outstanding. Weighing just 13 pounds, it's lighter than many comparable canister vacuums, and the 360-degree rubber caster wheels glide smoothly across all surfaces. The 5-foot cleaning radius, 18-foot retractable cord, plus hose and wand allowed me to clean large areas without constantly changing outlets. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive review of the top 5 Miele vacuum cleaners on the market today. Whether you prioritize cordless convenience, specialized attachments, or simple reliability, there's a Miele vacuum that will elevate your cleaning experience. Remember, a vacuum is an investment in your home's cleanliness and your family's health. Choose wisely.